In primetime news this evening, barbaric, another woman murdered allegedly at the hands of her partner. Councillors call for early level public education on domestic violence.
Remind our men, especially men, that listen, you're my partner, not my property.
And residents and Alport officials at odds over ongoing dust nuisance.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious.
And I'm Vashon Brown. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, and Andrea Chisholm has our preview.
Well, workers at Berger Paints should be getting very excited about their first paycheck of the year. They will be getting an increase in other benefits. Why? The IDT has ruled in their favor, and I'll have more on that in the business day.
And for a look at what's coming up in sports, Jordan Fort has our preview.
Well, Janella, just not too long ago, Hugh Menzies, the man who led Jamaica's women's team to their historic World Cup qualification, stepped away. Well, the man who assisted him to that success is no longer a part of the program either. I'll give you more on that in Primetime Sports Monday.
And thank you so much, Jordan. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And tonight we're asking, what do you think should be done to reduce the number of domestic attacks on women?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.